Hello, my fellow peers. So for block number 4, I'm going to talk about just the whole week in general. We had two guest speakers. We had the service learning and the intercollegiate book exchange. First off, I want to start off with the service learning because in class we discussed how it could be very beneficial for us to have that as a part of our education requirements. And I would have to say that I would agree with that because not only does that give us a chance to be an outstanding individual in our community, but it allows us to give back and, help and see the different ways that maybe our community might need help. Also, service learning gives us a chance to, it could do anything from, strengthen a resume or look on an application. I think overall service learning would be very important because would be very important because every service learning is a part of everywhere you go and everything you do. In class, I was really excited that instead of having a really, long lecture, we got to interact with everybody and kind of see everybody's standpoint and view on what they think about service learning. And I think that was very beneficial for all of us. It also gave me some insight to how, how my peers think, or, how service learning might be important to everybody else. As a human service major, of course, service learning is very important to me because, that's a part of my job. Like human services, I'm a case manager. So for youth, if I wasn't there, then nobody would be there to help them, and that's exactly what service learning is a part about, is helping and being there for people that, might need it here and there. For our other guest speaker, we had the intercollegiate book exchange, and I think that's really good because that's something that's a part of our tuition that we pay for, is that access. And I think that it's really good that, we can ship books from pretty much anywhere for free and use those on a possible report or paper, a quick essay, and even somebody's thesis. So a lot of these books could have, critical information that we would need, and the only way we'd be able to get those is through this program. So as far as class goes, I think that those were two very good guest speakers that we needed to discuss as a part of a research group, because service learning and books from around the country are some of the two most important ways that we can learn, and in that it'll help us grow as a better student or a better research assistant for the peers that we are going to assist. Thanks.